English Course Book. Betty at the Party. A poem. This poem is about a girl named Betty. Betty is a small girl, 4 years old. She has attended a party, and what all fun she had during the party, or what did she do during the party? We will now have a look. When I was at the party, said Betty, aged just 4, a girl fell off her chair right down upon the floor. Have a look at this picture, children. Betty, the party that she attended, what did she say about it? That she saw a girl who fell off her chair right down upon the floor. Can you see this girl? Yes. And all the other little girls began to laugh. But me, I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. So all the girls are laughing. And this poor little girl who's wearing pink color t-shirt, she fell down. See, look at her. It's so sad. Should we laugh when our friend falls or they hurt themselves? No, we should help them. Why not? Her mother asked her, full of delight to find that Betty, bless her little heart, had been so sweetly kind. As Betty was telling her mother that I didn't laugh a single bit when someone fell and all the other girls were laughing. So her mother was full of delight and wanted to know. That's why she was asking Betty, why didn't you laugh, my darling? Or don't you like to tell? I didn't laugh, said Betty, because it was I that fell. So, what did we see now? It was Betty who fell from the chair. That's why Betty didn't laugh. And she was really serious about it when she was telling her mummy about it. That's why she didn't laugh. Yes, now you all got to know. Because it was I that fell, Betty is telling. When we fall, we hurt ourselves. It is so sad. We get hurt. But we should not laugh. We should help our friends instead. Yes.